Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. I am back from my hiatus, but I will be more consistent. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my little cousin. She's so pretty. Hopefully you guys enjoy this look, so let's just get right into it. So basically I did her brows using the ABH Dipbrow in dark brown, and then I sculpted her brows with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and then I'm setting it with the finishing powder, so the Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. So first I'm going to go into this Juvia's palette and take the shade Kano, and that's going to be our transition color, so I'm just going to put that right above her crease. And shout out to my little brother for making these beads. He is like amazing. I don't know how he does it, but I be liking them. Thumbs up if you like them too. Then I'm going to take the shade Mino, and that's going to be her actual crease color. So I hope everybody has been doing well. It's been over a month since I've been on YouTube, and I'm kind of slacking on that. So I was just like, let me hurry up and get back on here and actually get a video up for you guys. I'm actually going to Jamaica tomorrow, but I was like, let me just hurry up and get this done. So I hope you guys enjoy and hope everybody is doing well. Yeah. And to cut her crease, I'm just going to take the Louise Base in number 3 as always, and I'm just going to take my time until I get the shape that I want. So I'm taking this fluffy brush and just going to tap all over the base just so that it's not too wet for the shadows. So next I'm going to take this really pretty deep golden color called Idea, and that's going to go on majority of the lid. So now I'm just taking that dark brown shade that we used before, and I'm filling in the outer V with it. So now I'm just taking the color Bakwa, which is like a light champagne color, and as you can see I left a little bit of space when I put on the initial color Idea, and now I'm just filling that in. So now I'm just taking the Morphe Gel Liner in Jet, and I'm gonna start carving out her liner. So for moisturizer, I'm using the Neutorgena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I'm just going to apply that all over. And then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty primer and prime with that. And guys, please excuse the hot ghetto mess that my nails are right now. I missed my appointment for getting my nails done, and I'm paying the price. So yeah. So foundation, we're using the Maybelline Fit Me in 355. So for concealer, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear in NC45, and I'm just going to highlight all the areas that I normally would. So underneath the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, chin, and the forehead. Is she already feeling herself? Alright, so I'm going to use the Real Techniques blending brush just to blend that out, and then I'm going to go over it with a sponge. And I just started doing this, but it's helping me to basically perfect the wing. I'm taking a flat brush, and I'm just going to take the concealer and outline how sharp I want the wing to look, so yeah. And it was a Patron type of day, so you know the vibes. But next I'm just going to take the Fenty Beauty Concealer and I forget the shade, but it's going to be on the screen, just underneath her eyes, so I could add a little bit of pop because it's a little lighter than the MAC concealer that I used earlier. And guys, sorry about the angles. I kept telling this girl to look up, and for some reason she thought that meant that her whole face needed to be up, so yeah. So next I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to set all those highlighted areas. So to cream contour, I'm taking the Ulta Beauty Face Sculpting Stick in Dark Cool, and then I'm just going to go over that with the, excuse me, Jordana, I forget what the name is, Sculpting Go, I think. And I'm just going to go over that. I'm only using the deeper one, the Ulta Beauty, on her cheeks, and everywhere else I'm going to use the Jordana one. So to set the rest of her face, I'm just going to go in with this Beauty Bakery setting powder. It's the brown one. So to set her contour, I'm going to use the Black Radiance contour palette, and this one is the medium to dark, and I'm just going to mix, I pointed to the darkest shade, but I'm mixing the darkest shade and the middle shade together, and I'm just going to set those areas. And I didn't like how red that was looking, so I'm just going over it with the Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep, and that made it just how I like it. And for blush, I'm taking the Juviasplace Saharan Blush Palette number 2, and I'm taking this reddish, it's like a brick color, and it's called Tau, and I'm just putting that on the apple of her cheeks, and then I'm just dragging it backwards. So now I'm going in with this loose highlighter by Wet n Wild, and it's called Hustle and Glow. I don't know if you guys remember that Ratchet movie that used to come on BET all the time, Hustle and Flow. But yeah, I guess that's what the idea of the name was for this. And then I'm just going to go over that with the Becca Champagne Pop. So now I'm going to take this concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C12, and I'm basically going to underline her bottom waterline because I'm going to do like a rainbow type thing, and I wanted something to be able to be there so that the shadows could stick. And the first shade that you see there is from the EYN Brights palette. I think they all are, and then I'm going to go over them with Juvia's shades, but you'll see what I'm doing. I have all of them labeled on the screen. And so first off, I want to apologize just about the blurriness, but I found out how to fix it, so it should be fixed within the next 2 or 3 videos, because I already have like videos already filmed. But yeah, I figured out what I was doing wrong, so you know, your girl's working. But you can see the names of the shades that I used in this palette on the screen. And so, like I said before, I'm just going to go over all of those shades with the Juviasplace. I didn't like the yellow that was in, as you can see on her right eye, there was already a yellow down, but I didn't like the yellow that was in that EYN Brights palette because it just really didn't show up. So all of the colors that I use, basically like the green, the purple, the orange, they are in that Juviasplace palette. So I decided to go over those colors with the Juviasplace palette because the colors to me were just a bit more vibrant. So yeah. And now I'm gonna go in with mascara, but I don't remember the name of this ones, but you could just use any one. It's just a regular old mascara. I think it's from Ciate, but I'm not sure. So yeah. And for her bottom lashes, I'm going in with the AOA Studio Bottom Lash Mascara. But you could use any one. I just like the wand on this because it's really skinny. So I'm just going to set her face with a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus spray. And I'm making sure I cover her eyes just so I don't mess up the shadows. And then I'm going to set her lips with the lip liner from Morphe and Trendsetter. And as you can see, my little cousin is a firecracker. She was eating chicken, drinking Patron, dancing, like she does what she wants. So then I'm taking this matte lipstick from Morphe called Boo. It's just a nude color. And then I'm going to top it off with this lip gloss from Morphe called Chill. And it's literally the same color, just in a gloss. And then I'm just going to put on these lashes from Juno Co in the style Mad Love. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. It's super colorful, but still pretty. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.